over to our Central Phoenix Airbnb, and we're just gonna check on the inventory, get that set up. So we're heading into the Central Phoenix one. So I like this one because I bought it and it was already renovated, and it's right by the light rail and very centrally located to Phoenix events. So we lucked out, we got a poolside view. A lot of guests love having a pool when they come out to Arizona. It's for here if the internet goes out, so yeah, that's the reason. Let's see, hello? Okay, this one has not been cleaned. I gotta check the schedule. I thought she was supposed to have this clean. Good thing we stopped by. But anyway, we're just here to do the inventory, like to figure that out. Definitely gotta figure the keys out, because here is where we have the inventory right here, Victoria. I mean, this is pretty dirty, but so this, I mean, it's just a lot of like they must have been here a while, because look at all that alcohol consumption. They left a full refrigerator in here. I don't know when they checked out, probably.
2 and 3 can all be used for the lock state.
Okay.
So it makes it confusing. So, but this is the one that can be used for the outside. So I'm thinking we just put 2 there, and these other 2, because these are triplets essentially. So on here, I'm making an item list for each Airbnb. Essentially, we really want to get our stuff together in terms of having we want to make a system for our item lists and just things like, you know, towels, clean sheets, hand sanitizer, things like that. So this is for each Airbnb. I'm just kind of writing down the specific needs, and then I do have a main item list somewhere. I also have a main item list with like everything that we're gonna order. So we're gonna order off of Amazon, and then also just kind of go to local stores and pick up what we need for each Airbnb.
Right. But my thing is, again, we're 12 hours or whatever, 20 hours before you deliver all the other pieces, and you're letting us know like the day before. But so I just dropped Joey off at his school. He's a 10th grader, plays basketball. A lot of options nowadays for kids as far as public, private, charter. This is a charter school. He was at public, my daughter went to public. The schools out in Arizona are gigantic, so we decided to switch him over to a private charter school, and we love it. So structure is everything, right? So with the big public schools, I just didn't feel it was well structured, at least for his personality, and the guidance wasn't there. And it's the same in business. You got to have your structure and people that could lead you and guide you. So that's really the reason we're over here at American Leadership in Gilbert. Good way to roll for him. So heading into the HIIT workout this morning with Coach Dana.
Hey guys, Coach Dana here, training Flip today at the gym. Today's focus is cardio core, a little bit of upper body. He's doing great. We're mixing it up today, just like he likes it.
Well, so I thought we could go pick up the meal prep for April 1st, drive down that way, and then Steve the handyman's coming by tomorrow. Killed the workout today. Dana said I keep her on her toes, so I guess that's a positive thing. I asked her to break up the monotony a little bit. Instead of doing 3 sets, I'm like, can we do something else? I'm getting a little bored, and she crushed the routine, so I just followed, and it was an excellent workout. Today's Wednesday, so Wednesday's really like a focus on mental health and also physical. So actually this will be one of 3 workouts. 8 a.m., 10:30 is Pilates, and then I'm back after work at like 7 to the cardio and steam room. So hitting it hard. Was through a contact at the gym I go through, and I just met her, and she told me about this, so we're gonna go check it out for meal prep. So I was thinking every week, right?
Yes, you can come in anytime.
Okay.
Monday through Friday, 9 to 8, Saturday, 9 to 2. You can get as many meals as you want. So when you do come in, every container will have a label like this. This is
Oh, okay.
what's in this whole entire container.
Okay.
This is your macro count. This
Okay.
also includes your sauce.
Oh, nice.
So as long as you know what your counts are, you can follow it that way.
Perfect. Okay.
And for the most part, everything can be put in the microwave for like 2.5 minutes. And then I'm gonna put this in your bag.
Sweet.
This will take you to our website where you can see all our menu items.
Okay.
Just kind of gives you an idea of the things that we do make.
Okay.
Right here on the back, good morning, are your reheating instructions.
Oh, okay. Reheating?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
We'll start with kind of lining up left and right, and wherever up. I think the closer that we have this way, the closer we can move the painting kind of away from that edge. I think will look better.
Yeah.
It's just going to depend on how close we want to stand here next to the pool table. So I'm thinking like right here would probably be a good center point.
Okay.
Thus the dartboard would probably be right there. So you might not even need to move the outlet if we're close enough. So if we have this being in terms of left to right, that's about where the edge of the painting would end up if we stuck with having it right next to the edge of the dartboard. Right there shouldn't be a problem at all.
Yeah, that looks good to me. All right. Sweet.
Yeah, so I think that's a good spot. So then we'll get the dartboard up, and then we can determine our height for this
Okay.
once the dartboard is up.